Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Ninja Artisan outdoor pizza oven. So I've just taken everything out of the box. Be careful, the pizza stone is right on top. Got a manual, there's a plug-in. We're going to measure everything. We're going to open this up. We got to take this cardboard box out. And then there's some tape on the sides. So each side has some tape. Right here, here, and on the other side. Now, it doesn't come with the stand. I'll talk about that later. And it doesn't come with the Ninja Pizza Peel. But I highly recommend getting the Ninja Pizza Peel and the Ninja Stand. So this is the baking pan. Was inside the box. So if you want to do baking, there is a function in the mode for bake. You can bake things in here. But I'm going to be doing pizza. And so when you're going to do pizza, you take the bake out. And this is the pizza stone. And it just sits there right on top of that heating element. Looks like there's one on top and on bottom. And it simply just slides right there is where it's going to stay. Now let's take this out and measure it. Now, there are some warnings for this pizza stone. You can flip it over and use the other side. It's got the Ninja brand on it there. It talks about this, if you ever get the Ninja stone wet, you're supposed to let it dry for a long time or it could crack it. You're not supposed to use soap. So if you ever have to wash it just with water only, make sure you let it dry. And it says it will become discolored over time. Now I do have another Ninja pizza oven and it does become discolored over time, but the pizza still tastes really good. Okay, so the pizza stone, 12 inches by 12 inches. It's not very thick. So the opening here is right around 13 inches. And top to bottom about 5 inches. It does come with a quick start recipe book that is really awesome. The cord is 4 foot long. It does have this on here. If that trips, you're going to have to hit the reset button. You can also test it. 120 volts, 60 hertz, 1,760 watts of power. Now around back there is like this little vent up here at the top, but for the most part it's sealed. Baking pan is 12 inches by 12 inches, maybe an inch deep. Here's what the bottom of it looks like. The feet make it about 3¼ inches tall. Now front to back, the feet are 15 inches front to back. And then left to right, same thing, about 13¼ inches. Here's some instructions on the different recipes and how big and thick the crust should be. Here's what I'm using, the adjustable stand. I have 2 side tables. I do have the cover and the perforated pizza peel. In the manual, here are the different modes of operation. Now to do a pizza, you're going to have to preheat it to 700 degrees. It takes 20 minutes just to preheat it. Once it's preheated though, it only takes about 2 to 3 minutes to cook the pizza. Now the pizza peel I recommend is the 12-inch pizza peel. They do make a 16-inch, but the 12-inch is what fits this. And I recommend getting an extension cord, but you can see there, fits it just perfect. And make sure that pizza stone is right there. Okay, when you first plug it in, you should have a green light. If you want to test this GFI, you're going to press that and that light goes out. And then to reset it, there's the reset. Press it and the light comes back on. Now we're good to go. It's going to have power. Press the power button. Very easy. It's bright and sunny today. It's very easy to read. Different modes. Pizza. You can change the Neapolitan. So you basically New York pan or custom. And that's called that. I started it. So hold on. Let's turn it back on. Let's go to Neapolitan. I could change. No. If I go to custom, then I can change the temperature. 700 down to 350. And time, it's not going to take very long at all. 30 seconds all the way up to 30 minutes. Yeah, that would be way too much. Okay, so the way you're going to do it is turn it on. Pick the mode you want. And when you're in pizza, use this to rotate to go Neapolitan thin or custom. And when you're ready to start, let's go to Neapolitan. press the button, and that's you're going to be in preheating. And then when it's done preheating, it takes about 20 minutes to get to 700 degrees. Then it's going to tell you to add food. It's going to beep at you and tell you to add food. And then when you want to stop it, you just press the button right here. Very simple to operate. Height-wise, you're looking at about 12 inches. Front to back with the handle is almost 21 inches. And left to right, 17 inches. And again, the feet, about 14, but 13 and a half to the center of the feet. Again, looks like 5 cooking functions. This thing looks really nice. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.